Subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be the first to see my latest video. Guava cheese. Ingredients: ripe guavas half kg, sugar equal to the pulp extracted, lemon juice 1 teaspoon, ghee 1 teaspoon, red food color optional. Heat a thick bottom vessel. Add half kg's ripe guavas cut in pieces. Add 1/4 cup water. Cook well until guavas turn mushy and tender. After it cools down, transfer to a grinder. Grind to a smooth pulp. Pour on a sieve. Press down with a flat spoon so as to separate the seeds. Discard the seeds. Take sugar equal to the pulp. Heat a thick bottom vessel. Add sugar, guava pulp, cook the sugar and the pulp, stirring continuously. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. One teaspoon ghee. Mix well. Add food color. This is optional. Mix well. Add more food color if required. Cook till the mixture leaves the sides of the pan. Turn off the flame and pour in a greased tin. Grease the tin with ghee. Set aside for 4 to 5 hours. Remove from the tin and cut into desired shapes.